Will Nifty bounce back to 26,160 or will it break the crucial support of 25,852? Detailed analysis in this video. Before that, please hit the like and subscribe button and show your support. So before we get into the analysis, standard disclaimer, please go through it for a couple of seconds. Okay, so this is going to be our Nifty chart on the daily time frame. So we'll quickly go through the candle that is formed on the daily time frame. So we see there is a bearish candle, but it has taken once again support at around 25,900 levels. So from a daily time frame, it looks like it's going to be in a consolidation phase. We don't see a change in trend. The change in trend will happen only when we trade below this particular candle. Until then, it's going to be a range bound or consolidation that we can see on Nifty. Let's watch and see tomorrow what will happen. The most crucial level tomorrow is 25,861. If we close below this on a daily time frame, then the lower level of 25,761 will open up. Okay. So what we expect tomorrow, we expect a flat opening. I wouldn't say a big gap down or a big gap up, mostly flat because we will not open below 25,867 on pre-open during the pre-open time. We may break this during trading time, but not at the pre-open. Okay. So keeping this in mind, let's go into the intraday analysis. This is the chart that we had plotted on the weekend. You see exactly a breakdown level was 25,930, and for Sensex the breakdown level was at 84,952. You see how the price behaved on all these levels. It was so perfect. There was a demand zone at 25,892. It has taken support exactly at this level. So what we'll do now is let's go ahead and mark the breakdown and breakout levels for Tuesday. Let's do it together. So you can mark the same on your charts also. Okay, so a breakdown level for Nifty would be at 25,852, and a breakout level for Nifty would be at 26,167. Okay, again the range is very large, so which means we will have a trending move, but it won't be in a fast pace. It'll be something very similar to how you saw today. You'll see it taking support at every level and coming down or going up. Either thing can happen. It can go up and then come down, or straight away break at the start of the day also. So where would be our key support and reversal zones? Okay, so I'm going to delete this. We're going to keep it because this is going to be one of the important levels that Nifty have to break. So we'll keep it marked on the chart. So these all will turn into resistance, standard technical thing. So all these will be resistance. Okay, so we have support coming in at 25,852. We have the breakdown, 25,892. We have support at 25,852. Okay, so we will keep here as a demand zone, and this is going to be the key reversal. Okay, and there's a demand zone here. Okay, so this is our breakdown, and this is our breakout, and this is also a supply level. This is a supply level. This is our, and this is our. Okay, so we have the chart ready for tomorrow. So what does the chart look like? So it's very important that we trade below 25,892. The moment we trade below this, we will straight away go and hit 25,852. We'll consolidate around this region. It's not easy to break this in one go or in one candle. You'll see some consolidation happening here. After that, when we break 25,852, and we will straight away try to come to this level, which is, yes, once we break 25,852, we will come down to 25,821. So this is a demand zone which is here. There is quite a lot of buy orders in this place. So you'll see one bounce coming from this region, which could take Nifty back to 25,880 or 25,892 levels. And again, we could start to follow the downside. Okay, so one thing you need to make a note, 25,746. This is a reversal zone as well as a very strong support. Nifty will take 100% bounce from this region and move on the upside. Okay, upside resistance 26,042, 26,081, and 26,103. What is the key thing to notice is if we start trading about 26,000 and more than that, let's keep it at 69. Okay. Um, yeah, the moment we start trading about 26,069, it's very important that we are not in a short position because market can start moving very fast on the upside direction. The market will be sell on rise, so any rise to 26,167 is a selling opportunity, and we can start coming down from there. Okay, so how can two ways the market can open? It can open gap up, slightly positive, and then try to move towards 26,021 levels. Okay, I'm going to mark even that. It can start moving towards 26,021 and face a rejection there and start coming down and take support again at 25,945. That's one scenario. Why this is highly probable is because tomorrow's expiry and they need to decay the premiums. So a lot of people are already carrying overnight put positions. So in order to get them out of the market could slightly go up to 26,021 and then start to come down. The other option that we have is it could open gap down below 25,892. If this happens, the first support will come at 25,852. It'll bounce back and then again break this during the second half of the day. So let's keep both the options open. Market can go both sides, but it's going to be a sell on rise market. So mark these levels. These are very key levels: 26,167, 25,852, and in between you have the resistance and supports. When it comes to Sensex, the breakdown for Sensex is at 84,821, and the breakout for Sensex is at 85,644. So, okay, this is very clear for Sensex. Please make a note that at 85,120 and 85,39, these are very strong supports. If this is broken, this will turn into a resistance and we will start moving downwards. Okay, so this is your breakdown. This is your reversal zone. So in case we have a breakdown below 84,821, we will move towards 84,783, 84,721, and 84,532. Okay, this could be the max for tomorrow. That is 84,532. If Sensex comes here, we will take a reversal on the upside and try to hit 84,783 once again. But key level to watch is this breakdown level of 84,821. If this is broken, market is going to be under a lot of pressure. So let's go ahead and see the option chain. What does the option chain say? The option chain says that PCR is running at 0.48. We are extremely oversold, which means we expect a bounce to come back. Even if market opens a gap down, we will see a green candle coming in. Okay, so keep that in mind. Another thing is where are the call writers sitting at 25,900 and sorry, call writers are sitting at 26,200 and the put writers are sitting at 25,900. But if you look at 26,000 and 26,100, there's increase in the call writer volume and there's been short covering in the put side. So we don't expect the market to go way above 26,000. Even if it goes 26,021, it could face a rejection and come back. Keep a watch on this particular OI. If you see this OI increasing, that throughout the day, it means that the market is going to take support at 25,880, 25,860 levels. So option chain looks good. So what if we look at the max pain? Let's go to put to call ratio. This is better. So if you look at the put to call ratio again, it is 0.58, which is definitely on the bearish side, but it is extremely oversold. So keep that in mind. And overall strength is again showing as bearish. Okay. So I'm going to show the levels once again. Please mark these levels on Nifty and and Sensex. Tomorrow is expiry, so just be watchful on your premiums that will get decayed. So these are the levels, and wish you all the best. Do join our Telegram channel where we give you live updates on how the market is going to perform throughout the day. Okay, the in the comment section, the Telegram channel link is given. Please go ahead, click on that, and join the channel. Thank you.